is integrity. Meticulous precision, down to the millimeter. Unwavering punctuality, down to the second. Scientific rigor in every single test result. For 2 decades, our steps have resonated with purpose. At HUAYANG, our spirit is forged on the bedrock of integrity, building a legacy of trust. Integrity rooted in strength. The journey of every steel pipe begins with HUAYANG's commitment. At Dongyin Point, Shandong, 3,000 tons of our pipes provide robust support for the Sinuk Terminal project. Spanning 31 kilometers, our pipes form the vital artery for Bangladesh's natural gas transmission. In Inglewood, USA, our pipes support the new landmark for basketball and entertainment. And with 30,000 tons of structural pipes, we contribute to building Tianjin's new pinnacle for urban conventions and exhibitions. From the heart of Asia to the corners of the globe, HUAYANG draws the map of global commerce in steel, rooting trust across every border. Integrity forged in precision. Within our precision-driven smart manufacturing, over 40 intelligent production lines form a formidable 2.6 million-ton manufacturing cluster, integrating imported machinery from Germany and Italy. With our proprietary processes, we achieve millimeter-level weld seam control, core processes like NDT, non-destructive test, and heat treatment with full automation, ensuring every pipe leaving our factory can bear the highest inspections. From raw material intake to finished product dispatch, our ERP system tracks the journey of every single pipe. Our diverse product portfolio includes high-frequency welded HFW pipes, longitudinal submerged arc welded LSAW pipes, and anti-corrosion coated pipes. We offer full-range customization from 73mm to 1,422mm in diameter, with maximum wall thickness up to 50mm, supporting special materials and deep processing solutions. From reinforced packaging and flange welding to galvanizing and anti-corrosion painting, every deep processing is a precise response to our customers' specific needs. Urban pipelines, marine engineering, steel structure construction, oil and gas transmission. HUAYANG guards the critical mission of every steel pipe with integrity measured in millimeters. Integrity, a weighty responsibility. Imprinted with the marks of authoritative certifications, our professional physical and chemical laboratory conducts comprehensive testing of physical, chemical, and mechanical properties throughout the pipe life cycle. From ISO 9001 certified quality control across the entire process to API 5L standards ensuring oil and gas transportation safety. Each international certification speaks HUAYANG's universal language of industry to the world. The EU CE certification ensures full compliance with European standards, unlocking access for global engineering projects. The Customs AEO certification ensures expedited clearance for our global exports. Numerous domestic and international qualification certificates serve as powerful endorsements of HUAYANG's capability and reputation. This globally recognized confidence stems from an unwavering dedication to quality. Our HUAYANG brand HFW pipes have been honored as Hebei Provincial Famous Brand Products. Our consistent ranking among Hebei's top 100 enterprises bears witness to how millions of tons of steel fulfill every commitment. Our consistent ranking among Hebei's top 100 private enterprises and top 100 manufacturers bears witness to how millions of tons of steel fulfill every commitment. From a single certificate to the credible endorsement of an entire factory, HUAYANG inscribes integrity into every weld seam and every delivery through systematic and rigorous standards. Integrity delivered in trust. This trust translates into on-time deliveries, undeterred by the elements, and specifications fulfilled with absolute precision. A signed contract marks the beginning of trust. The dispatch of our pipes is the proof of fulfillment. The trust of our global partners illuminates a map of integrity spanning the continents. Integrity, building tomorrow. Today's HUAYANG, grounded in integrity, intelligently forges the future. Green and low-carbon practices are our commitment to our home planet. Every step taken is a medal earned in safeguarding the Earth. With a global vision, we forge the solid pathways of integrity and commerce. HUAYANG, with a body of steel and a soul of integrity, connecting the world, building the future together.